start करूँ? Okay, so we are doing the last experiment of your biology practicals today, that is showing that water is absorbed by the roots in plants. For that we need 3 twigs with root. With the root we need 3 twigs, and this one 3 twigs with roots, and we need 4 test tubes. One test tube will be filled only with water without anything, and that test tube we are tagging as A. This is a tag. This test tube will be tagged as A. And in exam what you will have to do is you have to remember in which test tube what you have to pour. In which test tube you have to pour only water and all these things. It will be tagged A, B, C, D, and you have to just remember and do it of your own. And in the second test tube B, we have poured water till 3/4, means a little more than half level water, and on top of that we pour some drops of oil till it makes a layer above it to prevent evaporation. That is test tube B. Test tube B has 3/4 water and few drops of oil. Test tube C has 3/4 water with a red dye, that is carmine dye, and on top of that we have poured a layer of oil to prevent evaporation, and that is test tube C. And the last test tube has very little water at the bottom of it without any oil or without any dye, and that is test tube D. So we will put we have 3 twigs. One of them we will put in test tube C, such that the root of the twig is dipping inside the water. After passing the oil layer, it is reaching to some depth inside the dyed water. We'll put it in this manner. And in test tube B also, we will put a twig in the same manner, such that the root reaches to a little depth in the water after passing the layer of oil. Test tube A will remain as it is, and in test tube D we will just put a twig, because the twig is very small, so its root will not reach the very little water which is there in the test tube. So this is our setup for this experiment, to show that absorption is done via roots in plants. Now after few days or even after 24 hours we'll be able to see its observation. So in your exam, observation will not be shown, means you will not have to show the observation, you just have to do the setup. You need to remember the names of the test tube or the number of the test tubes, in which test tube you have to put only oil water, in which you have to put red dye water and then oil, and which you have to put very less water, and in which test tube you have to put only water but 3/4 water. Now this test tube A, in which there is only water, test tube A, this is acting as a control setup. Control setup means the setup where there is the main thing with which we demonstrate, that is not there. Means without rooted plant we won't be able to demonstrate this experiment. So in this you see experiment test tube A, control setup, this rooted plant is only not there. So you may be asked which one is the control setup, and you may be asked in which test tube the plant will dry up. Plant will dry up in test tube 4 because its roots are not reaching the water. And in test tube B and C, plant will be alive. In test tube B it will be alive, but we won't be able to get any proof that roots absorb water. And in test tube C we will be able to get the proof, because after few days when we take out the plant and we dissect it and observe it under microscope, then we will see that this dye has been absorbed by the xylem tissue of the plant. So this is acting as a proof of the experiment, and this is acting as the observation of the experiment. And why is the oil given? Oil is given to show, means to prevent evaporation of water and show that whatever water will be reduced in level, that is due to absorption.